Hello everyone, I am Surbhi and today I'll show you how you can draw this beautiful and easy mandala from scratch. So if you are a beginner then keep watching because I'll be explaining everything in this video. So I've already made a tutorial on how to draw grid for beginners. So if you don't know how to draw grid you can watch that video. I'll drop the link in the description. So now let's begin. I've already drawn the grid and the radius of this outermost circle is 6.5 centimeter. So draw a circle of 6.5 centimeter, then draw grid lines. You can watch that video. Link is in the description. And now we will start. So first we need to draw circles. So place your scale from the center like this. And then start marking at 1 centimeter each. So mark at 1 centimeter each. And the outermost circle's radius is 6.5 centimeter. And then here in the last, either you can draw a circle at 6 centimeter and the last one, or you can draw one more circle just like this. So now let's draw circles. So turn your sketchbook and then start drawing circles with pen. So you can draw circles with pen. I am also drawing circles with pen. So draw all these circles with pen and draw one more circle just a little away from the marked one, like this. So we are going to draw circles like this, every circle 1 centimeter apart and another circle a little away or a little more away from the first one, as we need to draw our patterns. So we are going to draw circles as the need of patterns. So let's complete drawing all these circles. So after drawing the circles, we will start to draw patterns for our mandala. So we will start with the center. So for the center design, I'm just gonna keep it very simple. So for the center, just fill this completely. No designs, just fill this completely with black. It also looks amazing. So let's fill this completely. So after completing the center design in the first row, we will just draw simple lines. So just start drawing lines in the first row like this. Just draw simple lines in this row. So now let's complete drawing all these lines. And I'm just trying to make this mandala simple and useful for beginners so that beginners can also follow this. So let's complete this. So the first row is completed and after completing the first row we will start to draw patterns in the next row. So in the second row we are going to use one grid line and draw one long petal like this. So use one grid line and draw one long petal. Then draw a line in these petals and fill the gap between two petals. So draw a long petal using one grid line and draw a line. Then fill the gap if there is any between the two petals. So we are going to complete this row by using this simple pattern. So now let's complete this row by drawing these long petals, one in every grid. So this row is also completed now. Now we will draw patterns in the third row. So in the third row we will use two grid lines like this and draw one curvy line. And then draw another curvy line like this. And then we will draw some more curvy lines like this. So just draw curvy lines like this in opposite directions and then draw some more curvy lines inside these curvy lines. So we are going to complete this row using these curvy lines. Draw curvy lines in opposite direction. So now let's complete this row. So this row is also completed and now we will draw patterns in the next row. So use one grid line and draw one petal like this. And then use another to draw another petal in opposite direction. So draw a petal using a grid line in opposite direction like this. and then draw a line and a dot in these petals like this. Then in this gap draw lines, just simple lines in these gaps like this. So fill these gaps with lines. So if you want, you can also draw circles between these two petals and fill remaining space, and you can also do it like this. So we are going to complete this row by doing this same thing. Draw these petals in opposite direction, draw a line and a dot in the petals, and then fill this space by drawing simple lines. So now let's complete this row. So this row is also completed. Now we will draw patterns in the last row to complete our mandala. So in this row we are going to use one grid line and draw petals like this. So use one grid line and draw petals, and then double the lining of the petal like this, and then we will make pattern in this petal. So draw a little circle like this, then draw petals like this, and then fill the space. So this is a very simple pattern, but it takes a little time. So draw it with patience. So draw the petal using one grid line, then double the lining of the petals. Then draw some more petals in this, like this. Then fill the space. So you just need to focus and do it with a little patience. And then there is a little gap between these petals, so fill that. So we are going to complete this row using this pattern. So now let's complete this row. So after completing this row, just erase all the extra lines and tada! The mandala is completed. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel for more mandala tutorials like this. And if you want to learn mandala from scratch, all the basics, then you can learn it from my beginners mandala course. The link is in the description. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.